All right, we are back again on a new video reaction. Please, this video is gonna be somehow, maybe it will be long, you understand? So just bear with me because we have to go through, I want to go through a space program of Akparawa and their Nkere media. I am not here to create any chaos or trying to insult anybody. I want to react to those videos because there's some point they made there and some people may watch it and actually run with it. But it's not against anybody. I'm not here to attack Akparawa or anybody. Alright? But just to set the record straight. So bear with me as we go. And like the title says, COS and Orabueze and his group, and these people are not happy with them, right? And the title they have here is Ngozi leaked Biafran government in exile private videos for blackmail, intimidation, and they point out that it's a treasonable offense. Very, very funny. Coming from somebody that brought the whole thing on social media, Akparawa and his camp. Now, let's start from here, all right?
Biafrans who are making donations on daily basis to make sure the Biafra Defense Forces stand their ground and do their work. We appreciate all of you. We appreciate our eternal leader. We appreciate our supreme leader. We appreciate Ngozi as well. Yes, because it is what you also worked for that have also gave us the reason and conviction to continue and to come this far. Yes, Wazirike, we appreciate you. We appreciate our Prime Minister who is in detention for interrogation. We appreciate our acting Prime Minister. We appreciate the entire cabinet of the Biafran government. We appreciate all Biafran.
This guy is, you are very, very funny. Very, very, very funny. This is why everything you do, people see it in a different dimension. You are appreciating why don't you appreciate Ifajin? I appreciate Iwasuke is a good person, no? But if you want to succeed in what you're doing, you have to follow people that are successful. Iwasuke, yes, he tried, but was he successful? No. And what people are looking at you, see, the way people are seeing you now is the way they're seeing, some of us are seeing Wazirike. Until of late, that you started hearing that it was Andoba that actually jeopardized his effort. But before then, he have already committed some flop by creating fake driver's license and all that. Some of you that know, if you know, you know. But this video is not about Wazirike. But when you are congratulating people that have failed or that have siphoned money, yes, he was betrayed, and that led to him not to continue agitating. But before federal government stopped him, Nigerian government stopped him, he has already divined a means of making money from the agitation. That is just the truth. All right? But you are here. I appreciate this. I appreciate that. I just want you to start from the point of leaking video and other things.
We salute all of you. We look forward to see more people join this team. We want to see every hands on deck. Please and please. Tomorrow is Friday, and next tomorrow is our general mega fundraising.
Let me see, because okay, let me say it before you get to the point, the place where I want him to start. Here he's talking a different thing. So I hate when somebody commits something, like you are committing something, and that thing that you are committing, you are using the same thing to condemn another person. Leaking video that he's talking about. To be honest, I'm not in support of anybody leaking, like recording videos of private meeting. I'm not in support of it. But for the video to come out, like video that they're talking about is where that has to do with Vision 555, with his movement with some native doctors on some against some of the, if not all the cabinet members under that. We COS published that video, and he's trying to condemn that. But you are the one that pushed her to do what she did. She's a woman. And as a man, you are dragging her on social media with the notion that media is power, that you are in control of media as former information minister and all that. And they will turn around and tell you, no, I don't care about the position. Position is not my thing. Don't just drag me to the position. I'm not here for position. But you are fighting to remain in the position. Even though maybe you think that you are making sense, but remember you are talking to people that also know how to make sense. Okay? Now listen.
All the officials of the Biafran government, starting from me, my Minister Jare, Mr. Betty, the APM, and the rest of us. You have to always hear the truth.
Did he say Mr. Betty?
Forward.
Okay, go on.
So that you will not live on the lies and propagandas. The lines will be open at the end of the day for you to ask your questions. Also, bring the propagandas and blackmail that they are talking and saying about us so that we can clear your mind and answer your questions so that it will be clear to you so that you will not continue to live.
You are worried about propaganda that you started. About propaganda that you started. Sometimes some of us don't. Some people don't know how to define their limits. Have you asked yourself what people think about me? I'm talking about some of us that are on media. What people think about you? Do they actually believe in what you are saying? Do you really think that what you are saying is making sense in the minds of some people? I'm not saying to everybody. There's no way you can please everybody. It's not possible. But at least the percentage of people that understand what you're saying, that know your own stand, because all of them now are after Kenena TV. That Kenena TV is preaching this and that. They are talking about Kenena TV. Coming from people that actually, have stained their hands in one way or another, publicly, that Biafran can actually count on. The leaking video you are talking about, who leaked the one of Ajere insulting PM before? Who leaked those ones? Was it not the one that published it?
Our heart is that Biafra Liberation would happen to be the backbone of the Biafra Republic government, and the Biafra people is 100% intact. I will give to Abia the glory for that.
If Biafra Liberation Army is 100% intact, then what is going on in Osun? Because I'm trying to use the condition and the way things are, what is going on now to exonerate Biafran Liberation Army, because I felt that because of this unity and exchange of wares and everything going on now, that is affecting them. But here is one of the media telling you that everything is intact. So meaning that what is going on is deliberate. Right? Listen to him.
Tonight we are here once again to keep setting the record straight, because if we don't do this, the enemy will always try to creep in and deceive some gullible minds. I thank God that those that are set for this freedom, they will not allow anything to distract you. They will not allow anything to stop you, because you have been determined for Biafra, and I want to assure you that Biafra is what you will get. Everything that you need to know will always bring to you. We're not going to keep anything away from you. And that's why tonight, as we are going to touch on different topics tonight, different areas tonight,
sometimes this guy is sounding like China Saworo. Always trying to sound that, present himself that he knows what he's saying, but at the end of it all, he's saying a different thing. Only introductory part you are spending it tonight, we're going to touch everything tonight. You end up blackmailing people in the name of making speech. Listen.
So that we keep it for the government. And this one, we did not approve for any recording. And then somebody was leaking out this our meeting while we are inside the cabinet meeting of the media department, recording a meeting. And then we interrogated the person and then asked, we have gotten evidence that you are recording this meeting. The person lied. We asked again, the person still lied. We asked again, the person still lied. Before other people now got infuriated. When Ngozi brought that video, when she leaked that video, official cabinet meeting of the government, brought it to the media to come and use it to do what? To do blackmail, propaganda, and slander, and to intimidate people. Did you ask her what necessitated that meeting to hold? You did not ask her, right? Because your brains are blocked. You just want to hear the propaganda and the blackmail and slander area. Biafra Unite was recording our media cabinet meeting, which was not approved. Why must you record the meeting, and for what purpose are you?
So it is now official that Biafra Unite may have decamped from them. For them to start talking about Biafra Unite with this manner, the guy may have recalled his senses and decided not to further, and in this space, the Chiamaka was bragging that the lady called I don't know, who is on the side of COS, have decided to decamp. I don't know how true is that, but that he said it on this video, that I don't know who is now coming to them. Here, from what Sonny is saying now, it is very, very clear that Biafra Unite may have decided not to be, maybe he said to leave them and be neutral. The issue is that my problem with these guys is that 100% of what they're accusing COS of is what they're known for. If COS is leaking video and insulting people and having anything that is what you guys do. So what's the problem then? You claim that she likes to force herself on people. You guys are known for that. You are forcing on Nkere on Biafrans. Everything that you are accusing people is what you guys do. That's my number one problem with all of you. You talked about leaking video and bringing it in public and social media. Who started all this menace? It's you, Sonny, and some of the elements. And you are even in this place. He bragged that he was the one that he is known for asking difficult questions for clarity. That because of his question he asked PM is what saved them today. That had he not asked that question, by now people may think that COS is the one in charge of everything, that COS made an attempt to change website. And because of his question, he asked PM, are you giving COS the authority to do this? He said, no, don't implicate me, which PM did not say. But he used that word implication because he knows that for him to ask that question in that video was to implicate PM. Some of you have seen the video where he asked PM, are you saying that, this is the first time we are hearing this, so we are not aware. Are you saying that if you are not here, that COS will take charge, we continue, or we take the leadership? PM said, no, don't misquote me, that's not what I said. PM did not know that this day is coming. He used the word implication now to tell you that from get-go, for him to ask that question in the first place, is to implicate PM. He's making the confession, right? Then the same guy is here telling you that COS is committing this and that. Like I said, I'm not saying that COS is an angel or that she is 100% right. But when you compare the two, you have no other choice than choose one. How can you, if you place Nkere and COS, who will you choose? They started hijacking and taking all the government properties. Yet, they are here accusing her of because Chiamaka said in this video that, why I'm saying this, because we're not going to play all the video. Okay? It will take time to get to the point that I'm bringing out now in this video, because this is almost 8 hours program. Almost 8. So, I cannot tell you that we are going to waste that all the time on this video. It gets to a point in the space where Chiamaka said that, oh wait, honorable, I can see that notification from this woman. She sent a memo now, and that her government head office in somewhere, I don't know, I forgot the name, location in US, where I presume that is where COS lives, in the state that she stays in US. I think in Georgia, something like that. That she said that this is head office of the government at the moment. Do you understand? So everything that they are doing or what they're saying is just to blackmail the woman, to blackmail her. Blackmailing her for what? Because they know that she don't have access to the government in Maryland. They have hijacked that one. That's why Nkere went there and removed allegedly pictures of Ojukwu and replaced it with his own. That's what they told us. It's in media. Nobody called me personal, but if you can get it in media. Do you understand? So that government that COS is telling you now, this is the head office, is the one that she can do. You're expecting her, because they know what they're doing. That's why they bragged that she don't know anybody. Let us see how she do that. She don't have men on ground. She don't have control of men on ground. You hijack men on ground. You hijack everything, and you expect her to do what? To fold hand and watch you destroy. Disagreement is a disagreement. If you want to work with her, you have to make a way to work, to carry her along. But you guys want to disguise her. You want to cut her off. Why you parade yourself as the rightful people that own it? And what made them think that they're the right channel is because they are in control of basic things that make the different government what it is. One, some of the handles on X, some of the website, if not all the websites, bank account, men on ground, they hijack all those things. They will tell you, when people are dying in different land, they will turn around to tell you, what do you expect? That you guys refuse to fund this army. Then in another minute, they will tell you that men on ground are intact. They're in control. We full gidigba. Then compare the activities going on now and what was happening before now. Then you know that there are some weaknesses in the system, in defense approach of the movement. Everything now is not the way it's supposed to be. Do you understand it? And they don't want to accept the fact. They keep on telling you, okay, why don't you call your COS? You should be saying that she be your leader now. Call her now to come and do this. When you have already bragged that she don't have anybody, that you have seated everybody, you have hijacked everything, then you still want to ask the question, who is sabotaging this movement and who is the problem? You hijack everything that you are in control. Then when it matters to see how good you are in controlling things, that you are in charge of everything, perform, you now turn around and say, hey, you are dragging this our office with us, so I can't do it now. But you claim that you are already in charge. Listen.
Recording the meeting for. And then someone got hold of that same recording and brought it to the media department. This is what necessitated that meeting to hold. And then all of you saw that Paul was grilled in that meeting, according to the video that she brought out, but she could not bring the entire complete video so that you will listen to it from the very beginning and understand anything. No, it is just to use it for what? Blackmail, propaganda, slander, intimidation. That is the only thing that she is targeted at. To do character assassination.
Social media validation.
You can only say all those things to someone that don't follow what you guys have said. So you actually know there's a word called character assassination. So what do you call what you have been doing? You assassinate her in every dimension. Like I said, this is not to tell you that COS is angel, but I hate it when somebody using what is known for to criticize or to attack other people. If I were you, I would not even use the word character assassination, because that is the best division of what we are doing. After the Biafran redeclaration, you started massively to destroy her personality, everything. You started calling her Madam Mosbow. You are the originator of that word, Akparawa. Madam Mosbow, you are the one. You called her. You said that she's dragging power. She love power. That she everything bow bow bow. So what is character assassination if not that? Character assassination is when you are using out of your propaganda, you are painting somebody bad to look somebody that is good to look bad for what you to just to please yourself. Even if when the person is bad, you paint her bad to look more bad than the person is. That is character assassination, and that's what exactly what you are doing. I thank God that you are the one that pronounced it. Listen.
Social media trial and validation. Thank you, my minister. And it is not different from the tactics that one Nigeria uses.
Do you hear that? My question is, so you know that social media trials and validation, these two individuals are the one that started it. You started preaching and bringing everything on social media space to attack, even if she's wrong. Please accept the fact that you are the one that initiated this idea of social media, because like I said, you cannot eat your cake and have it. You already know what it means to destroy somebody on social media. So what was your intention when you started it initially? When you started it, you expecting her to run away and go and hide without defending herself. She can defend herself using anything at all. Even in the video that in that cabinet meeting, PM said, PM made a comment about the same thing. That you cannot expect her not to react. Only a fool will read your post, Sonny Akparawa and all of you. Only a fool that will read those posts. You did not even insult COS alone. You insulted people that actually share the same opinion with her. You call them mugus. Do you understand? That was what led to somebody on your comment section calling you Sonny Ekperima. If you can recall, which you said, oh, they have started calling me Ekperima. You were shocked to hear somebody calling you Sonny Ekperima. You are somehow surprised. Yeah, because you thought that Ekperima is meant for PM alone. Right? you don't just go and read your comment. Maybe if you read your post and watch some of your videos, maybe you can never tell. Miraculously, maybe your brain will kick on. Listen.
When one Nigeria pick up any Biafran, they will go and look for camouflage. They look for a pump action. They will even look for machete. Put all there. Then go and look for Channels Television. Look for Arise Television. They come and start. They beat the person face. So then they.
That is exactly what you did when you said that she is a Nigerian agent. That she's working for politician. Have you forgotten your statement? That she's a Nigerian. That Nigerian send her.
So read. Force him to accept.
Nigerian government sent her to do this. That she's one Nigerian agent. That she's working for Tinubu. She's working. You forgot all those statements. That she's now is the People Club of Nigeria. That meaning that every People's Club members of Nigeria are sabot to you. You said that she brought out Islamic bank account. Character assassination, blackmail and propaganda that you are talking about, as if you are. Have you forgotten what you said about the bank account? That she want to bring Biafrans for slaughter to leak the information. After saying that, you are here telling us that she's leaking video. Go and read what you said. Do you know that many people started talking about you, maybe because she was unable. She did not reply you on time. She was waiting to see if that's my own take. Okay. She delayed in responding to some of your shenanigans on social media. You did not drag her one day. It's not as if you made a video once. No, you were having space 24 hours. That I myself, I started questioning your time on social media. That I don't know that this guy have all this time in the world to space. Sometimes Biafran land 4 a.m. You are on space. 6, 12 in the morning. 12 in the afternoon, 6 p.m., 6 in the morning. I think you during that week, I don't know if you sleep at all. If you sleep at least maybe 1 hour, 30 minutes or 2 hours, you are back on social media. You are back on. So all this thing is what happened. and we know how you started posting, and not only you, Uchiamaka, of course.
Where we see Adadarama asking where is our prime minister. And then when she was talking,
what is funny about it? That somebody asked where is our prime minister, and both of them started laughing. What does that imply? You know, I don't want to say something out of emotion, but somebody asked where is our prime minister and started laughing. What signal are you sending to the mind of people? What is funny about it? You claim that you are in charge of everything, you hijack everything. Not that you claim, you already hijack everything. That's why COS are somehow handicapped in terms of taking action immediately. It will take her time to recruit men on ground to defend the land that you guys have thrown the door open in the name that you are in charge. You want to prove a point. When PM is here, that all of you that have been in cabinet, you are, since all the structure that PM made is still intact in your hand, then what's going on there? Because you have not seen this kind of thing in Biafra land, in Igbo land at all. Since PM became Prime Minister of Biafra, nobody have seen this massive slaughter in Imo State. If you do, you know what it means. Not only is a very bad news. Okay, when they buy Igboja in Enugu State, do you know why Enugu State government and federal government, and by extension, decided to react and provide the image of the person behind the killing of the guy? Is because of PM. Nothing more, nothing less. Can you beat that? Do you think that if Igboja was to be killed by Nan, if they buy him, but let's assume that Nan is when they buy him, you think people will protest or do anything? They will buy you and join. But you see how everything was coordinated simply because of fear of PM. Today, they're buying not less than 19 people, not less than, that's what they said on social media. I don't know if it's more than, of course it should be more than. Because I have seen not less than 3 different videos of compound in one village. With, every compound you go, from children to parent to uncle, they don't have young girls, young children that will pose zero threat. They buy them, and until today, nobody have made any special, no condemnation whatsoever. During the time of PM, you dare not even try it. Remember, you are in control of army, and they're not, Biafrans are not asking, where do you think that Dr. Rama asked that question for fun? And you guys are laughing. What is fun about it? And tomorrow, you want people to take you serious. Listen to them.
Did not call our COS and say, where is our prime minister?
There you go. You claim that you have all these things. And not you claim, but you know that you hijack the Liberation Army. You hijack all the websites that they account. You hijack the Biafran head office in Maryland. You hijack everything hijackable. We know how long it took PM to form and organize all those things. And you're expecting COS to do it overnight. Now you are now mocking COS by, why don't you ask your COS where is our prime minister? Meaning that you are the one that holds PM. That's why you are laughing. Like I said, I don't want to comment by act of emotion, but I'm judging by what you are saying, what your body language. I'm not saying that I verify that you are the one that holding PMO, but I'm saying that for you to laugh this kind of laugh, one may be tempted to ask that question, because you are mocking somebody that is asking whereabouts of PM, something that is not a joke. Even though you don't like Adadorama, that statement, that question that she asked shouldn't be a thing of laughter. But you are here laughing, and you are two of you, Information Minister and Deputy Information Minister. Do you know information? So it's even you that's supposed to provide information where PM is as Information Minister. You claim because you refuse that you are not to. They are still calling you Honorable Sonny Akparawa, Honorable, and you are answering. But when the issue that Honorable is supposed to answer rise, you refuse to attend. You say you can't answer your COS. You see your and you want to lead Biafra. That is the annoying part of it. You don't even acknowledge that COS is COS. You guys, because then for you to say you are COS, which I have made point after the disappearance of PM, the way you call PM, I don't know if I'm the only one that have noticed that. You always say, you say your PM. So it's no longer your PM. Some of you say, oh, but it doesn't matter. He's trying to educate people. I don't see that. If your behavior is not the way it is now, I may not even ask that question. I may see that I may just take it lightly. But no. Like I said, listen.
She now went and called Nkere. The same Nkere, which you people say is the devil.
You see, your brain is not intact. She called Nkere because she accused Nkere. She doesn't hide it. That Nkere and all of you are the one that put PM where he is. That he's not asking. See your brain. She did not ask that question because Nkere is the leader to no. She said, "Go bring him out. That you guys are the one that. Do you know what happened to him?" They understand what I'm saying. No, it's not as if they're dumb to understand what I just said. They know it very, very well, but they want to use that they want to portray it for people that are following them as if deep down in the minds of other Dorama and other people, they have accepted Nkere as their leader. That is why he's saying what he's saying. But the truth of the matter is that Ada Dorama asked that question to drag them, to prove that they are not the one that report or behind the detention of PM until this day.
Them Sunday and Ajare and Betty here and Paul that you say is the devil. We are the ones you are now calling to ask us where is Prime Minister.
We are the ones that will give them answer.
So we are and the same Biafra Defense Forces that you people are using daily on your programs to call them criminals, kidnappers, saboteurs, online commanders. They are the same people that you are crying now, calling and asking and say, where are the Biafra Defense Forces?
You see the reason why they throw the door open for what is going on to go on. To tell you, oh, since you are calling us online commanders, we are not going to defend it. That's what I feel, oh. That's my own take. This is my personal opinion. It is deliberate act. Because for years now, we don't see this kind of thing. So because they called you online commanders and social media commanders, it's okay, come and do it yourself. You throw the open. Probably you even made a call to tell them to come and do it. Without minding the life of people that is going to go for that. Which is very, very bad. This is my own opinion, because I don't see the reason why, after seeing the blood of people, flowing sprinkle the blood of people in every in the villages. I don't know the name of the village, but I know it happened in also. All right, the video and everything is there. After seeing those things, you turn around to blame somebody that you told that you don't have any power, any access at all. What is the point? Listen to that.
The Biafra land is under siege. I listen to all of you speak. I listen to that. There's someone just cut the video and sent to it because I don't have time to go and be listening to all the nonsense people are doing there. But the part that is
after saying that you listen to all of you, you are not denying to make yourself so important. Oga, don't lie.
It's interesting that somebody will cut and send. I listen to it. And Minister Jare, if you have it, you can play it for them. The same Biafra Defense Forces that one.
That's a moment.
The Adadorama also. The day that
under the shadow, under the mango tree.
Honorable Betty, let us open another box. We are refreshing the minds of Biafrans for them to understand something. Now, here is stated 1st of December. Here is stated 1st of December. Here is a memo that is dated 1st of December. Can Biafran see the screen very well? My minister's in the studio. Can you see the screen well? Can you read what is there?
Yeah.
Okay.
We can see, but it's time if you only if you can. It's time.
Yeah, let me see. Let me see whether the Twitter will allow us to zoom it. Because it's up.
Thank God the defense of Biafra.
Let me look for a
No,
place.
scroll down. Let us see the address.
I will bring
The
it.
address.
I'll bring it back. I'll bring it back. Now, as at that time, they were still using the head office of Baltimore.
Let us show Biafrans so that we go and bring the one she posted today and show them. So they will confirm that because he's no longer with our prime minister. He's no longer with our prime minister. She's now on her own. And you just go down.
Okay. Yeah, they did not even put itself because they were doing it in a rush.
Okay, they didn't put address on this one.
No, they were doing this evil letter in a rush just to post it so that as we now appear in the convention pulpit on the 1st December, early morning, everywhere will be prepared for them to start doing their evil. So Uche forgot to put the address and the email of the Biafran government. But when you check other memos that I will bring, you see that the email is there, the Biafran government address is there. This is a forged document. This is a forged letterhead of the prime minister that they use. A forged letterhead of the prime minister that they use. So tell me, will your prime minister give approval for you to come and expunge his own PA? Not PA that is working inside the office with him, the one that is working with the defense. When he knows how intricate.
Anyway, I don't want to talk about the success that who this guy is defense. You hijack a lot of things. PM did not build this government for you and Nkere. He did not. Biafran government is not about one section of Biafrans. Do you understand it? If you hijack it and Biafran said no, and because you have the chance and opportunity to be where you are in the government, you hijack it and the PM's absent. And then you are now mocking Biafrans. The question you should ask yourself, the Biafran government you build is for who? Biafrans. How many Biafrans actually believe in what you are doing now? Using that Biafran. You talk about hijack. Can we go there? If you go there, you may not end down well. Though. So don't try it. And the only thing you need to understand is that COS is not doing what she's doing alone. Who have Biafran's mandate to do what we are doing now? Is it you and Nkere or COS? Who actually have Biafran's mandate? Can you state up, because I've done that here on this channel. I asked a question between COS, Nkere, and none of the above. What do you think? Who do you think that owns Biafran's mandate? If you are to vote one person now, who will you choose? Remember I told you that we are not going to play the video to the end. The reason is because we don't have the time. It's a very long, lengthy video. That's why I have to summarize the part that I have listened to where Sonia Chiamaka was somehow saying all manner of nonsense about the whole thing. Trying to mock COS for having a different address. And they don't want to talk about why she have a different address. Nkere, who removed frame of Ojukwu allegedly in the Biafran government and put his own. What is the pictures of finance minister is doing in Maryland in the head office? And remember, he changed that address, that picture. He already marked his picture in that head office before you claim that you elected him. The video and the picture was on social media before then. Then all of a sudden, you are not telling us that the CRC, Conflict Resolution Committee, is non-electoral body of Biafran government in exile. Yet, you are very, very brand. You are very, very smart, according to what you guys say. And they have every right. They think they have every right to tell you what to do and what not to do. It is funny. The picture. This is the result. You are seeing it now. This is like I asked this question, and this is the result. 91% of Biafrans believed, all right, that COS is the right. This is a total of 332 votes so far. 6%, well, 91% believe in that COS is right. 6% believe in Nkere, and 3% said none of them. So who have Biafran's mandate? It's not about creating government. That government of who? Do you understand? So let's not just deceive ourselves. Thank you so much, my people, and I would like to hear from you. God bless you. Bye-bye.